The brief that Cube gave us was pretty much go for it. And that's great because normally we do have a few constraints along the way, but this was almost blue sky thinking, right? Just I want the best that the Sunshine Coast has ever seen. I want this to be different was the brief that Cube gave us. We really worked hard with them and pushed ourselves in terms of what we could get on the site. The chances of finding a site like this with its amazing view and also north orientation, which is really important when you want to get your cooling breezes in and not have your air conditioning running all the time. A northeast aspect is the aspect you want to have. So I think it's going to be it'll never be done again, I don't think. It's quite a rare opportunity given its location and its views.